Hi students, today we will introduce a new concept in mathematics, that is LCM and HCF. But before going directly to the concept, first of all we will revise some terms, okay, which you have studied in previous standard. Now let us see what are prime numbers. We have learnt numbers. We know there are numbers which starts from 0, negative numbers and positive numbers. We have learnt it. Now, first of all, we'll see what is a prime number. When we start the number from 0 to dash dash dash, there are some numbers which are only divisible by 1 or that number itself. For example, 2 is divisible only by 1 or the number itself, that is 2. Means 2 comes in the tables of 1 or the number itself, means that taken number. If we see the 3 comes in the tables of 1 or that number itself, means 3. And when a number comes in the table of only 1 and that particular number, that is called as prime numbers. Now, what are composite numbers? The numbers which come in the tables of 1, the number itself, plus it also comes in the tables of other numbers also. That is, if we take the example of 6 comes in the tables of 1, 6 come in the table of 6, that means the number itself. But with this, 6 also comes in the tables of 2, in the table of 3. In the same way, 8 comes in the tables of 1, 8 the number itself, plus it comes in the number of 2 also and 4 also. When a number comes in the table of, or when a number is divisible by 1, taken the particular number and other numbers, that is called as composite numbers. Okay, the number which comes in the tables of 1, the tables of the taken number itself, plus it comes in other numbers also. It comes in the tables of other number also. Okay, that is called as composite number. Now, we'll go to the co-prime numbers. What is co-prime numbers? The common factor should be 1. Common factor means if we say 4 comes in the table of 1, 4 comes in the table of 2 and 4 comes in the table of 4. And if we see the 5 comes in the table of 1, 5 comes in the table of 5. Now, we will see what is common in both of them. Here 1 is there, here also 1 is there. Here 2 is there, but here there is not 2. Here 4 is there, but here is not 4. Here 5 is there, but 5 is not in the upper part. So, the common factor in both of these is only the number 1. And that's why the common factor means the numbers which has only the common factor 1 is called as co-prime number. Now let us see the next example. If we take the factors of 8 and 14. 8 comes in the table of 1, 8 comes in the table of 2, 8 comes in the table of 4, 8 comes in the table of 8. Okay. Now we'll see 14. 14 comes in the table of 1. 14 comes in the table of 2. Then 7. And then 14. Okay. Now we will remove some common numbers which is in 8 also and 14 also. Here there is 1. Here also there is 1. Here there is 2. Here also there is 2. Here there is 4 but here is not 4. Here there is 8 but here is not 8. Here there is 7 but here is not 7. Here there is 14 but here is not 14. That's why the common factors in both 8 and 14 is 1 and 2. But we have already learned that what are co-prime numbers? The common factors of two numbers should only be 1. Here the common factor is 1, but here the common factor is 1 also and 2 also. And therefore this is not the co-prime number. Okay. Now twin prime numbers. What are twin prime numbers? Twin prime numbers means the prime numbers should come one after other and the difference in the two prime numbers should be 2. So what we see that what are the prime numbers? Prime numbers means the number which comes in the tables of 1 and the number itself. It is called as prime number. So we have taken here, see how many prime numbers? 1, 2 and 3 prime numbers. 2 comes in the table of 1 and 2. 3 comes in the table of 1 and 3. But, okay, here if I subtract 3 and 2, 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So the answer is 1. Here 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, but if I subtract 5 from, so 5 and 3, the answer will be 2. 5 and 7, if I subtract 7 and 5, the answer will be 2. And here what are the twin prime numbers? The difference in two prime numbers should be 2. Here there are two prime numbers, but if I minus the bigger number from small or smaller number from bigger number, the answer comes 2. And if the answer comes 2 of two prime numbers, that two prime numbers are called twin prime numbers. So the answer when we subtract two prime numbers, the answer should be 2, means the difference between two prime numbers should be 2. Here the difference comes 1, and that's why this is not twin prime number. Do you understand? So two more concepts are there in the prime number, which then what we call the one. If the definition of prime number is the number which comes in the tables of 1 and the taken number, the number which comes in the table of 1 and the number itself is called as prime number. Then what is 1? 1 comes only in the table of 1. So what is prime 1? Is it a prime number or is it a composite number? What is 1? So 1 is the number which is neither prime number nor composite number. It is called a 1 is neither prime number nor composite number, because 1 doesn't come in the definition of prime number also and composite number also. That's why 1 is neither prime nor composite number. Here the only even prime number is 2. So if we see the prime numbers from 1 to 100, 2 is the only even prime. 2 is the only prime number which is even. Rest all the prime numbers are odd numbers. Okay. So these are the basics. These are the basics which we have to revise before learning LCM and HCF. So try to solve your exercise number 1 and then we will move towards HCF. Okay? Thank you very much.